Unfortunately, when you run a small business, or any business for that matter, you not only have to worry about sending invoices and receiving payments, but you also have to make some of your own payments. And that's what we're going to talk about in this section. We're going to talk about expenses here in FreshBooks. So from my FreshBooks home screen, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the expenses section. Now you'll notice when we access this section, all of the sections within FreshBooks, whether we're talking about invoices or estimates or expenses, they are all laid out the same way. So if we had expenses that we've already added, they would be listed down here below. Now you'll notice that we have three subcategories up here at the top within the expenses section. We've got the general expenses, which, like I said, our expenses will be listed in. We can also create new expenses here, which we're going to do in the next video in this series. But we also have the bank accounts section. And this is where you could connect one of your bank accounts to your FreshBooks. So if you have a bank account and that is your business account, and every single payment you make with that account is a business expense, that's a really easy way to track your expenses, because you can just add that account here in FreshBooks, and then all of your business expenses will be automatically tracked as you use the card or write checks from that account. So if you've got one of those, it's definitely a good idea to hook it up here with the Add Account button. At the same time, you can also import files. So if you've been running your business for a while and you've got a bunch of expenses that are ready to be imported into FreshBooks, you can do so here, which I'm going to show you how to do later on in this video series. But just for a quick look, you can actually import multiple different types of files. You can import a CSV file, which is a comma separated file. That's pretty much the standard file for exporting any type of spreadsheet data. So whatever system you currently use, it probably allows you to export to CSV. If, however, you use QuickBooks, you can import directly from QuickBooks, which makes it pretty easy here in FreshBooks. So stay tuned to the next video in this series when we actually add our first expense.